our careers have just taken off, so it's been incredible.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
At the Crown Estate, our ambition is to create lasting value for people, nature and the economy. We're hugely proud to run an internship programme in Wales.
Shemai, Greg Dewey.
Bore da, Bronwyn Dewey.
Shemai, dwi'n Dylan.
Hi, I'm Rhys.
And we're the Marine Futures interns from Wales.
I've learnt so much on the internship.
We went to places that we would never really have gone to without the internship.
It's been an amazing experience.
So I think the best skill that I've developed is my knowledge and confidence of the Welsh language.
Mae'n teimlo fel teulu yn y swyddfa, achos da ni gallu siarad Cymraeg os da ni isio siarad Cymraeg, a does dim pressure i siarad Cymraeg yn perffaith.
I think it's helped me drastically in terms of my networking skills, not seeing that as quite a daunting task and seeing it as quite exciting.
We've got really exciting, innovative things going on in Wales at the moment. We have tidal stream energy in North Wales off Anglesey, which is groundbreaking. And in the Celtic Sea, we've got floating wind coming online as well. And to link that with nature and biodiversity restoration, it's a perfect place to come and be a marine intern.
Mae'n bwysig iawn i bobl sydd yn ddwyieithog i allu gweithio a byw yn yr ardal, mewn ardal lle allu nhw siarad Cymraeg.
The interns really get to dive deep into the different sectors, whether that be in marine management, conservation or renewable energy.
So one of the cool projects I was working on was working with more lice, and the whole idea of the project is to kind of safeguard wildlife whilst they install tidal turbines off the coast of Anglesey.
I've learnt so much on the internship, from engaging with communities to species ID.
This internship has been a really mind-opening opportunity for me. It's definitely showed me a different side that sparked a bit of a passion in me, the decision-making behind environmental policy. And I think that would be something really exciting to explore in the future.
It's been really important to have this internship to bridge those gaps between the renewable sector and the wildlife or environmental sector.
There's lots of opportunities coming up, and I think what's going to be really important is that we have that talented, skilled workforce in North Wales.
Learning the Welsh language is something I've always wanted to do.
He's really picked up quite a lot.
Oh, that's quite kind.
I would highly recommend this internship to anyone who's considering trying to get into this industry.
I always say to people the internship is like a stepping stone between university and then getting a job. And without that stepping stone, I don't think I would be where I am now.
Dewch I greu cyfle morol yma yn Cymru.